Hello everybody, and today I'll be showing you how to draw some mountains. So first things first, you want to grab a piece of paper and just tear it up into some tiny little pieces, kind of like this. So like tear it in half, then like this. Then what you're going to do once you have all of your pieces is you're going to find a place to put it on the paper that looks nice. And then you're going to kind of just trace the top out. So when you're tracing the top, these will be the mountains. Then you can kind of fill in the little spots that you missed on the mountains. And then go ahead and get more pieces. Then what you're gonna do is overlap that over top of the other mountains. All right, so once you finish that, clean that up a little bit, and then erase the other part of the mountains. Make it look like that they're overlapping. You're gonna keep on repeating this step until you've used all of your pieces of paper up. So you've at least drawn them each one time, and make sure that it looks like all connected. Now that you've got your mountains, what you can do is you can kind of add some shading like I'm doing here. So what you want to do is add more definition to it by adding sharper lines, darker lines, kind of smearing it with your finger. Like here I added in like little dashes and then I blended them with my finger in. But these will make it look more 3D. If you want to keep it in that other way, you can. But just kind of keep them inside of the lines so that it doesn't look like there's just a random shadow. But you can also, darken some of the outside lines and just kind of, add in more shading, make it look more realistic. Then, if you want to make yours even more detailed, you can add in some ridges and snow caps if you want, like I added in here. They make the whole drawing pop a little more and just make the mountains stand out more. Alright, and that's about it. Feel free to make this your own by adding in some landscape and trees and flowers and stuff. But that'll be about it. See you later. Thanks for watching.